In this video, we'll go through xTool's major processing modes and their applicable scenarios. Flat surface processing mode is perfect for smooth flat materials like wood boards or acrylic sheets. You can choose between slats or honeycomb panels, depending on your material and processing needs. Conveyor processing mode makes handling larger projects or repetitive tasks much easier, improving efficiency for bigger jobs. Roller processing mode is ideal for engraving regular cylindrical objects, such as bottles or tumblers. Chuck processing mode works perfectly for irregular cylindrical objects, like mugs with handles. This mode also allows 360-degree engraving, making it great for items like ornaments or other fully round objects. Curved surface processing mode is designed for smooth, curved surfaces, such as the outer surface of a vase. Additionally, blade cutting and inkjet printing are exclusive to the M-series machines, while the embossment mode is unique to the F1 Ultra model. Embossment mode allows you to create stunning relief engravings on materials like wood, metal, and stone. This table shows the specific processing modes supported by each machine. Feel free to take a screenshot of it so that you are clear about what processing modes every model provides. If you're unsure how to use these features, simply click the device manual icon next to your machine in the Use with XCS section below. You'll find step-by-step instructions to guide you. Now that you know processing modes, you'll still need to set the right parameters. In the next video, we'll explain what each parameter means. See you there.